We are out on the patio with Angie Orkin from the Wisconsin Beef Council. And what are we making today, Angie?
Okay, so I've kind of got a tropical theme recipe kind of vibe going on. I just feel like it's perfect for this time of year.
It is.
Hey, maybe if you didn't have a chance to get out of the state or take a vacation, do a staycation in your backyard. Fire up the grill, make some steaks or some ground beef burgers, and add some tropical flair to your recipes.
And this is kind of a different steak that we're talking about today.
So I have a skirt steak. So this recipe is called Jamaican-Style jerk steak bowl. So skirt steak, I actually have a raw one here. This is about a 2-pound skirt steak, and I left it whole so you can kind of see what it looks like. It's very long, it's very different shaped. Now, traditionally, this is made into fajitas.
Okay.
So it's like a flank and skirt are your most popular steak cuts for fajitas. This needs to be marinated because it's got these muscle striations. You can see them, they're very distinct. That is not tender. So we need to marinate for tenderness, and then also your slicing, your carving is very important. So this recipe calls to marinate in a little pica peppa sauce, a little Jamaican sauce, and pineapple juice. And that pineapple juice, that acidic ingredient, is what's gonna tenderize this skirt steak. So I also like to, I don't like to throw this in a bag and marinate. I like to cut it up into pieces like 4 to 6 inches long, because when you slice this, you wanna slice across the grain. You don't want to take it like the long way and slice it that way. You're gonna have stringy beef. It's not gonna, you're not cutting through those muscle fibers. So I like doing this ahead of time. Throw this in a glass dish or a throwaway plastic baggie. Marinate 6 hours to 24 hours in the refrigerator with that marinade, or maybe you've got a different favorite marinade, or fajita marinade.
Yep.
But then it's ready, like this. And then it's ready for the grill. And we're gonna make this slaw. I'm gonna have you make a cold slaw.
All right.
I'm gonna check our skirt steaks on the grill. So I've got bagged cold slaw, and then we're gonna add in quinoa and mango. And I'm gonna grab this. Yeah, I gotta measure it out. A couple cups of quinoa, a couple cups of diced fresh mango. And then I've got non-fat Greek yogurt and jerk seasoning. So we'll mix those two together and then throw those in the slaw. Here's some of the skirt. Like if you lay it back together.
Ooh, it looks good.
Kind of like, and then the key is carve this across that grain. Okay, so here, let me put this in, and then mix that together and then throw that in.
Okay.
Jerk seasoning. Now the recipe calls for a lot. I did not do that much because it calls for a lot. But if you like a really spicy
that's where you can kind of personalize
There's
it.
where you personalize it. Then that goes kind
on
of
top?
Yeah, and give it all a big mix. Then we serve this as a bowl, which I love bowl recipes. They're kind of fun. You kind of put everything together.
Easy for the family, right?
Easy for the family. So you mix that up as good as you can. Put a little bit in the bowl. Now at home, let this skirt steak rest longer than we are. And then give it a slice across the grain. Use your meat thermometer. If it's thick enough, 135 for nice medium rare. Let it rest. It'll raise to 145. This is slicing really nice. Okay, look at that. Oh, that looks so good. I'm gonna go like this. Jamaican-style beef skirt steak
Yum.
bowl. Isn't that beautiful?
Easy.
Top with a little cilantro, maybe some more mango, whatever you like. But it's a perfect tropical staycation recipe using steak. You can take, that 2 pounds of skirt, that's 8 servings.
That's great.
So
Beeftips.com?
Beeftips.com. Check it out for the recipes.
All right, Angie Orkin, as always, thank you.